Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preheating the stainless pan on medium for about 2 to 4 minutes so the metal evens out. This is critical because temperature, not oil, creates a temporary nonstick surface. Once the pan is warm, flick 1 to 2 drops of water. If they form beads and skate, you're ready. Meanwhile, pat your protein or vegetables dry and season them. Make sure surfaces are as dry as possible so moisture won't create steam and force food to stick. Now control the heat carefully. Medium to medium-high gives searing without burning. Place food into the pan away from you to avoid splatter and resist the urge to move it. Initially, the item will adhere, then release as a crust forms. Once you have a golden sear, reduce heat slightly and use a flat spatula to lift and flip when the edges lift easily. If cooking vegetables, add a splash of water or broth and cover briefly to create steam and prevent sticking. Finish by adding a small knob of butter or a tablespoon of broth or wine off the heat to create a glossy sauce. This improves flavor and helps lift any brown bits. Once cooked, transfer food to a plate and let it rest for 2 to 5 minutes so juices redistribute. For cleaning or if food is stuck, return pan to low heat, add a splash of water or stock to deglaze, and use a wooden spoon to loosen fond. Stubborn residue can be soaked and scrubbed with a non-abrasive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.